I'm Hannah Bololi, and this is the HVAC Minute. Want higher close rates and bigger tickets? The data says it's not about harder selling, it's about smarter presenting. A new ACA and Farmington Consulting survey of more than 1,000 contractors shows that contractors who offer 4 or more options instead of just 1 or 2 see their close rates jump from 42% to 52%. But only 10% of contractors are doing it. The same goes for financing. Contractors who always offer financing close at nearly 50% compared to 38% for those who don't, and they sell fewer base models and more premium systems. Extended labor warranties matter too. When bundled into proposals, they boost margins and keep contractors competitive at the kitchen table. Oh, and did I mention that contractors who lead with monthly payments instead of total price double their financing penetration and sell higher end equipment? Bottom line, more options, financing every time, bundled warranties, and payment-first pricing aren't upsells. They're the fastest path to better close rates and bigger tickets. Want to know more? Visit www.achrnews.com.